was close. Van life isn't always perfect, and sometimes it takes a turn. In this case, we had to turn around. We even stopped filming at this point as our priority became finding another place to sleep nearby. And I promise, we will get better at filming these moments as we want to share it all with you, good and bad. This night, we had to adapt and be flexible, a requirement for van life. So, not all van life moments are created equal, but there are moments that will outshine others. The excitement of waking up somewhere new, cotton candy sunrises, sunsets that make the water look like fire, and wild horses roaming through your camp. It's the stillness of nature, the peace of just being present in the moment, and the feeling of being connected to something real in a world so full of the artificial. These small moments of joy are priceless, and we are so thankful that we are lucky enough to call this our life. We walked the dam overlook trail several times during our stay here, and the view never disappointed. The sunsets were unreal, and we happened to capture a sweet time lapse from the dam one night. So if sunsets are your thing, stick around to the end of the video. Where's your favorite place to watch the sunset? Leave a comment down below, as we would love to know. Don't eat that.
Mom will not protect you.
In certain circumstances, I will.
You cannot hide with your mother.
Like,
She will not protect you from the squirt bottle and your incessant barking. Yes, you.
Not this face.
Yes, you.
Oh,
You,
not
that
that
face.
cute face.
Not that face. He only barks at people.
This one.
She barks at everything.
Everything. Oh, you're eating? Let me bark at you.
Yep.
Do I want to eat? Let me bark.
Bob
Do I need to go to the
Barker.
bathroom? Let me bark.
Yeah. At least she likes the camera.
She does.
She's cute.
Photogenic.
Yeah, she is photogenic. Oh, Marley.
Marley.
Marley, Marley.
Hi, baby. No, don't chew
The newest edition.
She is just over 4 months now. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Getting big so fast. She
is getting big
baby
fast.
when we got her.
Oh,
She
I
was so teeny
know.
tiny.
She's so cute.
What happened?
And now she's huge.
Shut her.
She's got monster paws. Let me see these things. Oh, yeah, look at the size of those things.
The real big
Compared to those ones?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're getting there.